gave you.
Mama always told me to be careful who I love, and Daddy always told me make sure he's right.
Oh, hey, what's goody, baby? It's Rita, it's Roll Busy, and girl, I am in a rush, so I have to do this cute little look because me and my mama is going out. Well, I'm taking her out, so yeah, like, comment, and subscribe this video, and let's get it going. I'm not gonna be doing too much talking, but I am gonna be like having the products and stuff listed, so just pay attention. And so, hey y'all, hey, what's goody? Girl, I had to do a voiceover because I had to take some important phone calls, and yeah, I couldn't talk to y'all like that, but you already know the vibes. I'm gonna just walk y'all through this beat because it turned out so cute. So I'm starting with my brows. As you can see, what I taught y'all last week in Role Models Boot Camp, y'all need to make the motherfucking points meet. Period. Same thing. So I'm about to just outline my brows, use my spoolie so that I can get that product all around, and then do the next one. Now I am about to start concealing those brows. I went in with my Deep Cinnamon Elf concealer, the hydrating one, y'all, not the camo one. I cannot stress that shit enough. It dries quicker than a crackhead's coochie, okay? So I'm using the Deep Cinnamon concealer to do the brow bone, and then I went in with my Fit Me Maybelline the Superstay in the shade 360 to do the front of my brow and then the top of my brow. You already know you have to go in and moisture that face, prime it, whatever makes your skin sleek better at night, girl. I just went in with some Pond's moisturizer, applied it all over my face, girl, rubbed it on in, and then I'm about to begin applying my foundation. So for the foundation that I used, I went in with my 360 and my 355 by Maybelline, the original Fit Me by Maybelline's, and I just applied those two to the face using my Instapop brush by Real Techniques. Definitely love this brush. I highly recommend this brush. Now I'm just going in on my 5 head, girl, and finishing off this foundation all over this face, bringing it down my neck, you know. Girl, look at me just laughing and happy, living my best life. Girl, yeah, I'm too into that conversation, Chad. Now I'm going in under my eye with my concealer in medium beige. Y'all know I like that bright under eye pool. So I'm going in with medium beige, y'all, under my eyes, forehead, down the bridge of my nose. And then we are going to blend that out with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Yeah, that's how you know that conversation got to be juicy. I'm holding the phone in one hand and doing my makeup with the other one. Girl. So I'm just using that Real Techniques Instapot brush to blend that concealer and that foundation together. Y'all know what I told y'all. Just make them two blend together and become one, girl. So I'm just patting away and making everything look seamless. And yeah. Now I am going in and setting that under eye with my 330 press powder to press this face in, girl. And I'm just gonna do that to the same places that I put the concealer. So under my eye, middle of my forehead, down my nose. So now we is making that base so we can pop them shadows on, girl. And I'm just using whatever little leftover product I had when I did my brows. So this was the Deep Cinnamon that I'm applying to my lid. And then I'm going to go in with my shadow. This is, yeah, I was finna lie to y'all. Let me stop because I'm going to put it in the description. But this was the purple color out of that palette. I want to say, yeah, the sorbet or some type of palette by Juvia's Place, girl. But that pink color, purple pinkish color, oh, it's so pretty. And then I went in with that white kind of shimmer shade that's in the top row in the middle, girl. And I put that all over my lid, and it comes across as like a pastel purple. It is so damn bomb, y'all. So yeah, just watch me bring these eyes together.
Let's take this overboard now. Cause you go me where I'm going, yeah. And surely you'd get my vote. Cause I believe you know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close, let's close. Let's don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in motion. I want you to ride.
Now we is about to get into that wing, girl. So I tried to zoom in so y'all can kind of like get a rough draft, girl, of how I do these goddamn wings, because I literally cannot explain it for the life of me. But just to make two lines, make them connect and fill it in. Like, I don't know, sis, but I hope y'all can kind of get where I'm going with the way I explain it. And I was definitely going for a more dramatic wing, girl. You know, let me fly away today, so So now for the under eye, girl. In my waterline, I went in with some black shadow first. And then I went into my Zulu palette and used this really pretty turquoise to have that little pop of glue. Talking about pop of glue. Girl, that pop of blue at the bottom, so. So I just used a little dark brown to go on the sides of my nose, and then I went in with my 360 press powder to put the powder all over my face, girl, so I could be looking like a little matte donut.
Cause you told me where I'm going, yeah. Surely you'd get my vote. Cause I believe you know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close, let's close. Let's not get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in motion. I want you to
Okay, y'all, so I had to take some important phone calls, y'all. I'm sorry. But this makeup is turning out fire. This makeup is cute. I'm using my sis. Oh, I just got makeup all over my fucking scarf. Doing too much. I'm using my sis lashes. The NG Mink. This is from her birthday collection in the style OVO. In the style OVO. So we finna put these babies on. These babies is fire, okay? I'm excited to put these on. And I'm on good time. I told my mama to come here at 2. So, yeah. Yeah, my makeup is so cute. Wait till y'all see my little outfit. It literally matches to a T. I'm low-key feeling like I should have did the blue on my eyelid, but I got another outfit that I want to wear that I need to do like blue shadow. So I like this little like purple color for right now with a little pop of blue at the bottom. That's cute. Wait, when did a new episode of The Ultimatum come out? Today? Cause I need to see. Oh yeah, them bitches smack. I don't know why my eyes been water lately. I think it's because of your girl having me in no makeup. Look, my alarm going off. It say start getting dressed. I cannot make this shit up, y'all. I have to like, and I'm from the snooze it. It give me 8 minutes. I'm from the snooze it because I cannot make this shit up. Like, I hate being late for sure. I need to give myself more time, but I am done with my makeup. So, only thing I'm gonna have to do now is, damn, I let the glue get too dry. Only thing I'm gonna have to do now is just lotion, oil up, and then pop these press-ons on. That's what I need the most time for, but my hand stuff is already super straight, so that is so damn pretty. I got this period bump on my face and I'm fucking over it, okay? Like, I'm over it. Like, Mother Nature, if I ever bump into you, like, if I ever bump into Mother Nature on my mama, I'm scrapping up with her ass. I don't care. Because why do you gotta punish me why do you gotta punish me before I even come on? Like, I'm already finna be cramping like a motherfucker. Now you got me breaking out and looking ugly the week of. It's just like, pick a struggle for me. Damn. I know you're trying to humble a bitch, but at some point, y'all, yeah, if I see Mother Nature, G, I swear to God, I'm gonna be, oh, you Mother Nature? Hold the fuck on. Cause the picture, like, oh, my bottom lashes is long as hell. I am done. I am about to start getting myself together, so I am gonna check back in with y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what your girl is wearing in a second, and then yeah, y'all will see the little outfit it is because it's so cute. It's so nice outside. It literally was 71 degrees when I walked in the crib. So, oh, that weather. I cannot wait until it just stay there. Like, just stay there. Just let us have good weather forever. Forever. Forever, ever. Ever, ever. Okay, I'll be back. This is what I'm wearing. This Palm Angels bag is crazy because I've been ready to whip that motherfucker out, but I ain't had nothing to wear with it. This outfit is from H&M, and then I ended up getting the black Balenciaga croc boots that I am truly in love with. So that is the vibe for today. Now let me get dressed because I'm running late. Hey y'all, yeah. It's Ro Mizzy looking like that. Oh Lord, I ain't doing all that real quick, y'all. Oh girl, I can feel my head sticking to my lips now. As soon as the wind blows. Ooh, so now y'all, I'm all done with my makeup. Let me get these press-ons because we gonna put these bitches on together. I need y'all help. So I'm probably gonna go with these, y'all. So cute. She not answering the phone. She finna below me. I need to put this in my purse. I'm gonna sit it right next to my matcha. There she go.
I'm calling my Uber now.
Girl. Not calling now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Said at 3:15, it shouldn't take that long.
I never said 3:15. I said 3 o'clock.
Oh, okay, yeah.
All right.
I'll tell you if you let nobody.
All right. Okay, y'all. So I got my little. They come with a little thing, little pushback for the cuticle, and a little filer. So I'm finna just scrub. You already know. But I'm finna scrub. You know how the chinks do. You know. Yeah, y'all, my nails, I just have to get them a break from like acrylic because they are so chopped and fucking screwed, like the worst T-Pain song ever, okay? So I have to just lay off the acrylic for about a week or two, at least 2 weeks for sure. Like, don't get me wrong, I love me a cute little set, but oh yeah, I have to put my jewelry on. I just don't need to forget that either. Okay, period. Now I need to just measure them. Yeah, these are too cute. The little matte black nails, fire. Ah, and they fit my finger like to a T, y'all. Look. Oh, it's giving money. So let me go ahead and press these hoes on. Yeah, call me press on Rita, bitch. Cause hold on, bitch. Twist it open. Call me press on Ro Mizzy. My makeup is too fucking cute. Oh, bitch. Oh, yeah. No Philly. Pretty bitch. Oh! Okay, let's do these nails because they look a hot ass mess. I can't get this glue open. Okay, here we go. I'm finna just do thumb, bitch. Whoop, whoop. Oh, hold on. Glue on my hand and shit. Okay, I'm gonna just do thumb, and then so on and so forth. I'm gonna put the glue on my finger first. Let me get that little piece out. Let's be able to say. I need the most stick. I'm gonna press it on now. Don't fucking play with me, bitch. Don't play. I'm gonna give me some more today. I'm gonna give me some more, and I'm gonna give me the little UV light app so I can feel like I'm doing something. Girl, they just had one on Amazon. I'm probably gonna order that bitch. Okay. Press that hoe. Press that bitch. Yeah, I ain't gonna even hold y'all. It's lit. Okay, let me do the middle finger since I want to keep putting them up. Let me do them. Since you don't know how to chill. Is that sort of middle fingers or no? Yeah, I'm gonna do the 2 middle fingers next. When I was younger, y'all, I used to couldn't wait to wear nails because my mama did not let me start wearing nails till I was in like, I want to say like 5th grade. And I'm talking about the girls used to be coming to school acrylic, airbrush, Valentine's Day, and my mama was not folding. Like, even when I used to go with my daddy's side and my cousin used to be getting her nails done, I used to be calling my mama, begging her, y'all, like, Mom, please, they paying and everything. She used to be like, no, bitch, I said no. So she did let me wear my little press-ons. That's what's crazy. And I'm gonna check her when I get with her too, because she used to put press-ons. She used to put press-ons on me and Rachel when we was like toddlers, like 5, 6 years old. But she wouldn't let me wear press-ons when I was in grammar school and all the other girls had press-ons. Like, girl, oh, I'm gonna treat her ass. I'm gonna treat her. It's time. I'm finna light sis up, okay? Cause how you gonna do me like that? How you gonna do me like that? Oh, shit. Nails popping out. This shit good as hell. Is that the same one that? Yeah, she used to put press-ons on me and Rachel, y'all. I swear to God, we was probably like 6. But when it really counted, oh, you can't wear acrylic. It was just a joke, y'all. It was a joke. It was a joke. So, I'm gonna treat her watch when I get in the car with her. I'm gonna be like, Ma, why didn't you let me wear nails in grammar school till I was in like 5th, 6th grade? But she used to put press-ons on me and Rachel to go to baby showers. Like, she used to have us up in furs, y'all. Timberland boots with heels on them bitches. Like, but you didn't want me to wear like acrylic. So anywho, long story short, like on the weekend when I used to be able to have like a friend sleep over or something, my mama or my grandma or somebody would take us to the beauty supply store and let us get a bunch of nails, and baby, we'd be ching ching chonging up in that bitch. I used to have just so much fun as a kid. I just had the best childhood. So people wonder why, like, you spoil your son. Like, girl, I had a great childhood, and I'm just so thankful that I was able to have a great childhood. So, duh, I'm gonna give him a great childhood. Like, duh. I smell so fucking good. I smell so good. And I know this is an unpopular opinion, okay? It is so unpopular, y'all, but I can't be the only one that don't like. I'm not gonna say I hate Baccarat, like I hate the smell, but the way people hyped Baccarat, I swear to God, you would think that shit smelled like Jesus Christ. So it's not, it just, it didn't give me that. Like, to each his own, because I be wearing some fragrances. I know people be like, Rita, what the fuck do you got on? Yeah, I know I do. But that Baccarat, for that Bacca price, can bitch Bacca stay in the store, because I don't want it. I smelled it like, oh, this what the hype is about. Don't want it. Like, hell no, I'm cool. Okay, because I gotta file this nail down just a little bit because it look crazy as hell. Where the fuck is my file at? But yeah, I don't know. Like, am I the only one who is not a fangirl of Baccarat? Like, it don't smell bad, but it's real lightweight. And honestly, I feel like it's just hyped up like that because, you know, it's in songs and shit now. And all of the girls that's like influencers is wearing it. But I'm not literally raining on nobody parade because y'all like what y'all like, but I'm just saying that the Baccarat is not for Bacca me, okay? This nail, girl, I didn't put this nail on, and I need to change it, and it will not come out. It's some good ass glue, I'll tell you that. Oh, there's some great ass glue. I fuck with the glue. I'm gonna make sure I put the top back on now. Yeah, I'm gonna order my little light off Amazon. I'm gonna be press on, bitch. You want your press on done? Okay, $10. Press it on. Yeah, they fire. Let's get into them. And I have my little cuticle oil by Brie. So we gonna pop that on. Let me make sure I put this top on this glue because I need that. Period. Put my little cuticle oil on. And oh shit, I'm getting it on my nails. They ain't gonna be matte like that. I'm gonna wipe them down a little bit. This was fun though, doing my little nails. It brought back a lot of memories from my childhood. Seriously. Now I gotta put my little rings on and my little bracelet. So I'm gonna do that. My mama say she on her way. My hair doing what it wanna do, the usual. Edge control or not, girl. Just do what the fuck you wanna do. Oh, that natural shit ain't no joke, okay? It's no fun. Okay, y'all, so that is where I ended this video. Just like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll be back.